Okay, I'm out at the playground. I know you're going to have to see me in a mask. Any joined space at school, any space where another human might be, we wear masks. So even though there's nobody out here, I still keep my mask on. I found some soil and I made my mountain out of soil. I used a cup, a Dixie cup, and I just scraped the soil out and I made my hill. Here it is. Okay. And the materials that I ended up finding, I found some popsicle sticks. I found some cotton balls like the video suggested. I didn't have I have Q-tips, but I did not have toothpicks. I thought I had a ton of toothpicks. I couldn't find them. And then I didn't have foil either. So I found some wax paper. Okay, so we're just using whatever we can find around our house. So just whatever you can find. I think I have some of these things somewhere, but ERC's in my classroom now. So it's kind of hard to find stuff everywhere. But I rummaged up some stuff from your house. I'm gonna try my best. I'm really worried this is not gonna go well, you guys. I'm really hopeful that you guys come up with something better than me. But my initial thought is that I am going to put cotton balls all around here. I'm hoping they'll soak up a bunch of the water. But I'm gonna put my cotton balls around there. And then maybe I'll put sticks here. I'm worried I'm gonna break my, it's getting windy. I'm worried I'm gonna break my dirt. Okay. They did say I only got 5 minutes, so bear with me. I'm gonna put this together. Okay, and maybe I'll throw some of these in. I don't know. Yours might be so much better than mine. Push these down again. Oh. I don't think wax paper absorbs. Oh, it was paper towels. I should have gotten paper towels. That was on the list. I did have access to paper towels. Okay, I don't think it absorbs anything, but maybe it'll hold it here. Okay. And then I didn't put a hole in my cup because I'm doing this outside instead of in the classroom because I thought maybe it would make a mess. Got a Q-tip on the ground. Okay, you guys, we're gonna see what happens here. I've got a few extra materials that I don't need. I'm gonna pick up my computer so you can see. There it is. I don't know, it'd be interesting to see what you have at home. Okay, in your mystery science journal, we're going to that back page. It says, draw and label what you added to your first hill to protect it from erosion. So I would draw on number 2. Oh no, on number 1, I would add. So I would draw in the Q-tips and the cotton balls and the wax paper and the sticks. Okay, on this number 1. What do you think will happen? What do you think is going to happen when I slowly drip water on top of my dirt hill? We're just going to do one of these. I'm not going to do 2 tests because I don't have enough materials. I'm out of materials. Okay, so I'm going to draw what my first hill looks like after it rains. So I am going to show you what it looks like after it rains. I wish I had somebody here to hold that up. We're just going to see what happens. Hold on. Okay. Here we go. Experiment. Oh no. Oh, it was doing so good. So it was getting all contained. I want to show this to you. It was all contained by the cotton balls. Can you see that? It was all contained by the cotton balls until over here, the cotton balls weren't close enough together and it's starting to leak out. It's starting to leak out right here. I'm gonna pour more in until it's gone. Maybe there's a big rain. You guys should do this at home. It's actually pretty fun. I was really nervous about it. I thought I wouldn't do very good, but it's actually kind of fun. I'm liking that the dirt's actually staying within the cotton balls. Oh, until there's too much rain and then it just goes everywhere. Look over here. It's like everywhere. Ooh. Okay. So let's see if I can get onto Mystery Science here and see what they're going to tell us about this. Oh, so draw what your first hill looked like after the rain. So draw a picture and then write what happened. Okay, I'm going to screen share with you so we can finish up. This experiment. Okay, I know there's going to be another video, so I want to make sure we have time to do that. Oh, here it is. Okay, screen share, here it comes.
Get your supplies.
Okay, we did this.
All right.
Okay.
How did your land do? Did it erode or did it stay together? Do question number 2. Draw and write what happened to your hill after the rain.
So you can talk about any part of the hill, right? When I just poured a little bit on, and then you can talk about what part happened when I was like, there's a big rainstorm, and I poured the rest on.
What do you want to do differently for your second hill? Answer question number 3 before you test, and question number 4 after you test.
So if you're going to do your own hill, maybe the box 3 and 4 is what happens with your hill. So maybe you've learned something from mine. You're going to use different materials. You're going to use maybe some of the same materials. You're going to see what you have at home. And you could put your experiment in number 3 and number 4.
Discuss these questions. Afterwards, be sure to watch the final video.
So if you decide to make your own hill and do your own experiment, I want you to see what differences you saw between my hill and your hill. And then which one stopped the erosion better? Did mine do a better job? Did yours do a better job? And why do you think one of ours did better? If you're not going to make your own, that's fine. You'll just continue to this last video.
How successful were you at stopping landslides on your cornmeal hill? Here's one idea we came up with. We stretched out cotton balls and wrapped them around the hill at different levels. Let's see what happens. Compared to what it looked like with no protection. So you can see the cotton balls really help stop erosion. Here's another idea we came up with. Cover the hillside with paper towel, like a blanket. We also tried putting aluminum foil above the hill, which wasn't quite as good as cotton balls or paper towels, but it still helped. Maybe you had an idea that was completely different from what we did. That's great. There's almost always more than one way to solve a problem. In real life, people have invented many different solutions to stop erosion from happening. Like this. Here, people have put plastic blankets over a steep hillside. The idea is to keep the soil in its place, to stop it from sliding down the hill when it rains. Another solution is to cover a hill in concrete, like you see here in this highway bridge. This holds the soil in place, and it stops rain from getting in the first place. But it's often not possible to cover an entire hillside with concrete. It can be expensive, and if the cliff is very steep, it's dangerous for workers to work on it. Besides, sometimes people don't want to look at a hill covered in concrete. Check out this hill. Now you can't tell there's anything on it, but if you looked closely, you'd see a net. Workers have hammered the ends of the net into the hill. The net keeps soil from washing away until plants can begin to grow and hold the soil in place. Here's another common solution. They're called wattles. These are like long socks filled with straw. They act like little walls. When the soil begins to wash down the hill, it stops at the wattle. By putting down many layers of wattles, we can prevent erosion. People often use wattles, concrete, or nets in combination with planting seeds so that plants grow. People have invented lots of different solutions to the problem of erosion. Next time you're in a car, look out the window and see if you can spot any erosion-stopping solutions along the side of the road. You don't have to live where there are steep cliffs. Any small hill can have erosion. Have fun and stay curious.
Okay, you guys, that's the last one. Good luck if you're gonna do your own erosion activity. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.